Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best 6013 rods is probably one of the most versatile and popular welding rods used by hobbyists and professionals alike, known for its ease of use and ability to produce strong welds on various materials, but choosing the right one for your project can be tricky. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect 6013 welding rod based on factors such as the type of metal you're welding, the thickness of the metal, and the desired weld quality. Number 5. Forney 30301E 6013 Weld Rod. This is the Forney 30301E 6013, a versatile welding rod perfect for various projects. It's designed for ease of use and produces high-quality welds. Its ease of use makes it perfect for both beginners and experienced welders. You'll find it simple to handle and achieve excellent results. It's suitable for all welding positions, offering versatility for any project. This means you can tackle a wide range of welding tasks with confidence. It provides excellent wetting action, resulting in smooth and flat weld beads. This ensures a professional-looking finish every time. It's designed for low spatter and easy slag removal, making cleanup quick and efficient. This saves you time and effort. It's perfect for all types of mild steel fabrication, where ease of operation and a good-looking weld are essential. It's your go-to rod for a variety of applications. What we like. This 6013 welding rod is incredibly easy to use, perfect for beginners. It's suitable for all welding positions, making it versatile for various projects. If you're starting out and need a smaller, manageable quantity, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. The rods that came with the stick welder were J422, which I think is same as 6013. They work pretty good, and I bought some 6013 rods and they seem to be the same. Works very well and does a good job of welding. My welding rods arrived in one day, very well packed and in fine condition. Number 4. Forney 30305E 6013 Weld Rod. This 5-pound, 332-inch rod is designed for ease of use in various welding applications. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced welders. It's versatile enough for all welding positions, making it ideal for a wide range of projects. This general-purpose rod is great for shallow penetration or poor fit-up conditions. Experience excellent wetting action, resulting in smooth, flat beads and a steady arc, regardless of whether you're using AC or DC current. It boasts low spatter and excellent slag removal, making cleanup a breeze. It's virtually self-cleaning in vertical down fillets. It's perfect for all types of mild steel fabrication where ease of operation and a good-looking finish are essential. It's especially well suited for vertical down welding. With its ease of use and excellent performance, it's the perfect choice for your next welding project. Get yours today. What we like. This option provides the same ease of use and all-position welding capabilities as the smaller size, but with a larger quantity. If you have many projects or anticipate needing a lot of welding rods, this is a cost-effective and convenient choice. It's perfect for those who need a larger supply without compromising on quality or ease of use. What people say. Probably the most useful electrodes eBay ever purchased. I do a lot welding on thin tube mild steel that is usually slightly rusty or covered in mill scale. It cuts through this with ease, which is a huge benefit in prep time. Thin mild steel tubing is structurally solid, cheap but some of the most frustrating material to weld. With .060 wall thickness tube, it's almost impossible not to blow through the workpiece. I found these rods to be the most forgiving in this aspect while still fully penetrating. I can also make significantly longer welds without allowing the piece to cool. These rods melt like butter. Arc is easy to strike, and the rod makes a great weld. I have used these on 332-1/8 tube and square tube up to 1/8 angle iron in DCEP mode at around 50A with pleasing performance. I turned down to 35A to tack casters on a metal base. The casters are 1/16 mounting plates, and focusing most of the heat on the 1/2 steel substrate, I was able to weld them nicely without burning through the mounting plate. Number 3. Hobart 770466 6013 Stick Welder. This versatile welder is perfect for a wide range of applications. Its lightweight design makes it easy to handle, and it delivers consistent performance. It's an all-purpose stick electrode, ideal for light to medium penetration welding jobs. You'll get excellent results every time. With a tensile strength of 60,000 psi, it provides welds of exceptional strength and durability. It's built to last. It runs on both AC and DC power, offering flexibility for various welding setups. This adaptability makes it perfect for any job site. Its compact size makes it easy to transport and store. You can take it anywhere your work takes you. It's conveniently sized at 14.5 inches long, 3.25 inches wide, and 1.75 inches high. Easy to handle and store. What we like. It boasts a 60,000 psi tensile strength, ensuring high-quality welds. It's an all-purpose rod suitable for a wide range of applications. If you need a strong, reliable rod for various projects and prefer a 5 pounds package, this is a great option. What people say. High-quality rods. No problems. Works as advertised, no issues. I'm just starting out learning to weld, so I need a lot of rods to burn through to practice on. These are the right size for my crappy machine, and I'm starting to lean toward 6013 over 7014. That might be entirely due to how much I've practiced on 6013, but I find them very easy to control. Number 2. Hobart 770470-6013 stick electrode. This versatile electrode is perfect for a wide range of welding applications. Its all-purpose design makes it ideal for both beginners and experienced welders. It boasts an impressive 60,000 psi tensile strength, ensuring strong and reliable welds every time. You can count on it for robust performance. This electrode works with AC or DC, offering flexibility for different welding setups. It adapts to your needs. It's a light to medium penetrating electrode, suitable for various materials and thicknesses. It's a great all-around choice. With its convenient size of 14.5 L x 4.4 W x 2.3 H, it's easy to transport and store. Take it anywhere you need it. Get the job done right with this reliable and versatile electrode. Experience the difference of superior quality. What we like. This 6013 stick also offers 60,000 psi tensile strength and is perfect for all-purpose welding. The larger 10 pounds package is ideal for larger projects or those who frequently weld. If you need a large quantity of high-strength welding rods, this is the economical option for you. What people say. Good consistent bead. Exactly what was listed. Awesome, work well. Seem to be good rods and weld nice and work as they should. Number 1. Hobart H117125 RDP electrode. This is the Hobart H117125 RDP 6013 stick welding electrode, perfect for various welding tasks. It's made in the USA and comes in a compact package. It delivers superior performance and reliability. You'll get consistent, high-quality welds every time. With its 5/64-inch diameter, it provides excellent precision and control for detailed work. This makes it ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It's designed for ease of use, even for beginners. You'll find it simple to handle and apply. Its small size and lightweight design make it easy to transport and store. It's perfect for on-site welding projects. This electrode is manufactured in the United States, ensuring high-quality materials and manufacturing standards. You can trust its durability and performance. What we like. This lightweight rod is incredibly versatile and comes in a 5/64-inch diameter. It's perfect for detailed work in smaller projects where precision is key. If you are looking for a smaller diameter rod for intricate welding tasks, this is the perfect choice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.